So number 2, explore the complexities involved in applying Gagne's 9 events to diverse learning environments, considering factors such as learners' characteristics, instructional content, and technological advancements. Evaluate the extent to which Gagne's models addresses the multifaceted needs of modern learners and instructional designers, and propose innovative adoptions or enhancement to the framework to optimize its relevance and effectiveness in today's educational landscape. So, implementing Gagne's nine events of instruction to diverse learning situations necessitates navigating complications posed by learners' characteristics, instructional content, and technological improvements. So, learners' factors such as learning styles, preferences, and prior knowledge levels can all have an impact with how effectively Gagne's methodology is implemented. So, adapting instructional content to accommodate different backgrounds, interests, and skills is critical for guaranteeing engagement and information retention. So, furthermore, technological innovations have a profound effect on modern education, influencing how material is provided and accessible. Integrating technology into instructional design requires establishing a balance between using digital tools to improve learning experiences and guaranteeing accessibility for all learners, while taking considerations factors such as digital literacy and technological access. So, Gagne's model serves as a solid foundation for instructional design, but to adequately address the numerous demands of modern learners and instructional designers, some adjustments are required.